Today's class I am going to discuss about combinational circuit. So this topic comes under digital electronics. So what is combinational circuit? So it's a one type of digital circuit. So this digital circuit is classified into two types. One namely called as combinational circuit and another one sequential circuit. So in this video, I concentrate combinational circuit. So what is combinational circuit? So combinational circuit, the output is depends on the present input. Then come to block diagram. So it's a simple block diagram of combinational circuit. So these are the input signals. So N input, it generates M output. So this combinational circuit consists of input variables, logic gates, output variables. So combinational circuit means the output is depends on the present input. So in this combinational circuit it consists of input variables, logic gates and output variables. So then come to the design procedures of a combinational circuit. So here let me consider to design a AND gate. I am taking small example. So to design the AND gate. So first step, the problem is started to design the AND gate. Then second step, identify the input and output variables. So in this AND gate, it has a 2 input and 1 output. So identifying the input and output variable. So it has a 2 variable and 1 variable is the output, 1 variable represent for output. Then third step, input and output variables are assigned to letter symbol. So it's a 2 variable. So this 2 variable assigned in the letter symbol A and B, and 1 variable assigned for output, that variable name C. So A and B consider as the input, C consider as the output variables. Then fourth step, construct the truth table to meet the output requirement. So now I write the truth table for this AND gate. Truth table. So it's a 2 variable. So 2 variable in the sense it make 4 combinations of input. So 2 power n combinations of input. So 2 power 2, 4. So 4 combinations of input here generate. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So it's a 4 combinations of input. So 0 dot 0, the output is 0, 0 dot 1, output 0, 1 dot 0, output 0, 1 dot 1, output 1. So it's a truth table. So in this truth table, we have 4 combinations of input. So each combinations of input is applied to the AND gate. We check the output result. So C value 0, 0, C value 0, 0 dot 1, C value 0, 1 dot 0, C value 0, 1 dot 1, C value 1. Then fifth step, write the Boolean expression for various output variables in terms of input variables. So here in this truth table, we have only one output. So 1 dot 1, the corresponding output is 1. The Boolean expression is A dot B. So A dot B is the Boolean expression. Then come to the sixth step, simplify the Boolean expression. So here the Boolean expression is very simple. So it's not simplified again. If the Boolean expression is very lengthy, you need to simplify the expression using the method Boolean algebraic, K-map or tabulation method. So these three methods used to minimize the Boolean expression. So these three topics already we discussed in previous video. If you need it, kindly refer the video. Then final step, design the logic diagram. So logic diagram is realized from the simplified Boolean expression. So A dot B is the Boolean expression, simplified Boolean expression. So it's like an AND gate. So A dot B. The final output is C. So C equal to A dot B. So this is the design procedure. So I hope you understand this topic. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.